This is the 2007 Baja 90cc dirt bike. It has kickstart. Kick on that. Yeah. Starts on like the first kick. Has heel toe acceleration. Up and then down. You don't need a key to turn it on. It's kind of nice. So you don't, in case you lose it. And then on, off. It's just a little button. We'll start it up. Really quiet. It's 5-speed, if I haven't already said that. I don't think so. But it's good for beginner. Just like a Honda. So this is a 2007 Baja 90cc dirt bike.